The oil-producing nations and their allies have failed to reach any conclusion in the meeting of OPEC+, which is Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries, yesterday. This indicates the growing escalation among oil-producing nations that can lead to further spike in oil prices, can put pressure on already strained economies of developing countries, including India. Oil prices are at the highest level since 2018 and have already prompted concerns that inflation could derail a global recovery from the pandemic. The producers clashed last week when UAE rejected a proposed 8-month extension to output curbs. Reports said on Monday also UAE's position was unchanged. UAE is upset about the low baseline from which its production cuts are calculated and wants it raised. UAE on Friday accepted a proposal from Saudi Arabia and other OPEC+ members to raise output in stages by about 2 million barrels per day from August to December, but rejected extending remaining cuts to the end of 2022 from a current end date of April, without adjusting its current baseline production. Abu Dhabi has invested billions of dollars to increase its production capacity and says its baseline was set too low when OPEC+ originally forged their pact. UAE has said it was not alone in seeking a higher baseline, as others, including Azerbaijan, Kazakhstan, Kuwait and Nigeria, had requested and received new ones since deal was first agreed last year. Decisions in OPEC+, which groups Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries with Russia and other big producers, must be unanimous. Dispute reflects a growing divergence between Saudi Arabia and the UAE. The two nations had built a regional alliance combining financial and military muscle to fight a conflict in Yemen and project power elsewhere. But UAE has withdrawn from action in Yemen, while Saudi Arabia has sought to challenge UAE's dominance as region's business and tourism hub. Reports further added that there would be no oil output increase in August. OPEC+ agreed record output cuts of almost 10 million barrels per day, and last year about 10% of world output was hit by pandemic. WION now available in your country. Download the app and get all the news on the move.